Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive. The first thing you do is sign into your Google account. Then you can access Google Drive through the search bar. Press the link, then the personal use button, or by pressing the waffle icon on the top right corner and selecting Google Drive. Through Google Drive, you can organize your files by creating a folder, right-click, and New Folder, or through the New button. In this New button, you are given a variety of files you can create and edit. Google Drive is a database of files with various formats which can help you store information or even share it. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.